Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a hard ninja star. To begin, you'll need 2 square pieces of paper. I recommend using paper that is 6 inches by 6 inches for a good size. Make sure your paper is sturdy enough to hold its shape well. Also, find a clean, flat surface to work on, as precision is key for sharp folds. Now take one of your paper squares. Fold it in half lengthwise, then unfold it to create a central crease. Next, fold the top edge down to meet that center crease, and do the same with the bottom edge, folding it up to the center. Press down firmly on all your folds to ensure they are crisp and well-defined. With your 2 folded strips, it's time to create the star points. On each strip, you'll fold the corners to form triangles. Make sure to fold both ends of both strips, creating a total of 8 triangular folds. Consistency is important here, so try to make each triangle the same size for a balanced star. Finally, let's assemble your ninja star. Take your 2 folded units and carefully interlock them. You'll slide the points of one unit into the pockets of the other. Gently tuck all the points into their respective pockets to secure the star's shape. Once everything is snug, you'll have a sturdy, throwable ninja star. Also, for more great deals and to grab some Little Trees black ice, check out the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.